In this video, I am going to show you how to create email account in Bluehost. So let's see how we can do it. At first, we need to log into our Bluehost dashboard, and after that from here we are going to click on advanced. So here it is, and this will take us to the Bluehost Cpanel. And here we will see an email section, and under it there is an email accounts option. So we are going to click on it. Now to create a new account, click on create, and now here we need to enter our email account details. And if you have multiple domains on your web hosting, then you need to select your domain from here. As I have only one domain on my web hosting, so it is already selected. So now I am going to enter my email username here, and next is password. So we can add our own custom password here, or we can generate a password for our email. So if I click on generate, it will generate a password for my email. After that, there are some optional settings. You can do them if you want. Like if I click on edit settings from here, and here you will see storage space option. You can set custom storage for your email, and also you can do some other settings as well. And after that, from the bottom, if I click on create, and as you can see that our email account is now created. Now if you want to log into the inbox of your email, next to your email you will see a check email button. So just click on it, and after that from here click on open, and this will take you to the inbox of your email. So this is how you can create email account in Bluehost. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.